To assemble your 2007 luxury or profile straps, start by placing the deck pad on the board with the hump towards the middle of the board. Align the holes with the holes on the board. To attach the strap, remember that the buckle side goes toward the middle of the board. It is easiest to separate the strap into two pieces for assembly. Once separated, start the screw in the outside portion of the strap. Line the screw up with the hole on the board and screw it into place. It helps to flip the strap around when screwing into place. The procedure is the same for the other side. Once both sides are screwed in, flip them around to face one another and reassemble the strap. If you choose to use the supplied heel strap, the correct mounting is under the strap between the pad and the strap. To add the heel strap, simply repeat the strap assembly procedure.